Okay, administrators have the ability to manage users on the system. You'd want to create a user for each staff member that will be interfacing with patients or just using the dashboard. So, under quick access, you'll see manage users and you have the ability to add a user. When you add that user, the information you need is pretty basic. You'll need a first name, last name, a unique email address for them, and a mobile phone number. The mobile phone number is strictly used internally. It wouldn't be disclosed to patients in any way. What it would be used for is two-step verification for identity and security and or alerts if we need to alert them about something that's happened on the system. So you'll add the user. I just added one a minute ago, so let's take a look at Cindy Sue. Um, all right, so in terms of location access, if you have more than one location and the staff member works particularly in one but not in another, then you just want to assign them to the location that they work. Or you can assign them to all locations, right? But if she works in Miami, there's no need to reflect Tampa activities on their dashboard and confuse them. Down here is where you'll set the privileges. Privileges are typically for a particular task or the ability to make changes to the settings or to send out appointment cancellations when you need to clear a schedule. So you take a look at those and figure out which ones best fit. You'll hit Save Changes and then send that activation link. Sending the activation link will allow them to set their own password and get logged in for the first time. When you go into Manage Users, one of the things you'll notice is that you can see the last time somebody signed in. This will be particularly helpful. You can see whether they've logged in recently or not. In my example here, I just created these, so there's no date there. And the other thing you can do is force a password change. So you would check everybody, and you could click on Force a Password Change, and that would just be so that you could adhere to some policies of changing passwords. All right, so under the quick access, there is a administrator tool, not for regular users, but for administrators, called Manage Users. Each time you log in as a user or administrator, you would see your own privileges and information by clicking here.